DA Form 31 focuses on authorizing military leave. It serves to certify leave days chargeable to a soldier's leave account, or it may be used to update a soldier's military leave and pay records. pdfFiller provides you with an up-to-date fillable template of DA Form 31 that you can easily complete, sign, and submit online. Once every field has been completed and checked off, date and sign your DA Form 31 directly in the pdfFiller editor. Then, click Done to save the changes you've made. Choose what you would like to do with your document next. Print out the resulting document, share it with anybody via email, fax, SMS, USPS, or shareable link, send it out for signature, save it to your device, convert it into a template, or continue editing your document online. Give pdfFiller a try and start saving your time and resources today.